In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to compact view on Reddit. This is a quick but really useful adjustment that can make browsing Reddit feel cleaner and more efficient, especially if you like seeing more posts on your screen at once. First, make sure you're on the Reddit website in your browser and that you're logged into your account. While some settings are available without logging in, being signed in ensures that your view preference is saved for future visits, so you don't have to change it every single time. Once you're on the homepage or inside any subreddit, look toward the top of the page, near the center. You'll see the search bar, where you normally type in keywords or subreddit names. Just below that search bar, there is a small set of icons that control how posts are displayed. One of these is the view icon. The view icon might look slightly different depending on the current layout you're using. It can appear as a group of squares, lines, or a more compact stack. All of these represent different ways Reddit can show your feed. What you want to do is move your mouse cursor to that area just beneath the search bar and look for those small layout icons. Hover over them slowly if you're not sure which one is which. When you hover, Reddit may show a tiny label or tooltip indicating the view type, such as card, classic, or compact. You're interested in the compact option. Once you've located it, simply click on the icon for compact view. After you click, the page should refresh or update automatically, and you'll notice that the posts become more condensed. Thumbnails will be smaller, spacing between posts will be tighter, and more content will fit on the screen without needing to scroll as much. This is especially helpful on smaller laptop screens, or if you like scanning a lot of titles very quickly. If you ever want to switch back, you'll follow the same process. Go back below the search bar, click the view icon again, and pick a different layout option. Reddit will usually remember your last choice in that browser, so you only need to set it once unless you clear your settings or switch devices. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the view icon just below the search bar and choosing compact view, you can customize Reddit to match your browsing style and make navigating your feed much more efficient.